What's up, guys? So, quick update on the 70 model C-10. Wasn't going reverse. The back brakes are locking up. So, I'm going to put some transmission fluid in it, first of all. I don't know if I'll get to the brakes today, but we'll see what we can do. So, let's fire it up real quick. Maybe. Got to figure out what that little short's about too. So when I got it back home the other day, and I got it flat, my driveway's kind of on a hill. When I got it back flat, it would go in reverse. Doesn't seem to want to now. So anyways, let's see what we can do with this. Alright, so I couldn't find, holy shit, I can't find my funnel, which is going to be pretty bad. Yep, pretty bad. Not as bad as it should have been, though. Let's see. So now, let's see if it'll go in gear. And it does. I'm a little nervous to take it down the road. One of these days I'm not gonna make it back home. Let's see. I'm thinking that the brakes could be, oh shit, that's a lot of. Yeah, I still don't trust it. Come on, bitch. If we can get back in the parking place again. So I don't know what's up with the transmission. I thought it was gonna be just some fluid, and it will go in here, but that thing's completely locked up. It rolls when we go backwards, but not forward. Anyways, I'm not gonna mess it up. I think what I'll probably have to do is I'll probably put it on the trailer tomorrow and take it to the shop. Because, well, I'm not sure yet. So we just have to see it. I'll probably take it to the shop tomorrow, and I'll give y'all an update as soon as I know something on it. If it's something I can fix, and I'll do it on my own. I'm just not sure. All the brakes and all that are fairly new, so I don't know why it would be locking up like that. Of course, I'm not a mechanic, so that's probably why. I don't know. So if there's any mechanics out there that might happen to know what's going on, just give me some things I can check and start checking off the list. It does have drum brakes on the back with disc up front. Like I said, most of the brake stuff is new, so I'm not really sure what's going on. So if you have any idea, then leave a comment and see if you can help me out. I guess it could be worse. It could be not cranking. So it does crank right up. So yeah, till next time.